What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Choice Whitley, back with another one. I'm moving on. Let's see, I locked my hair in October 21. A year and 4 months. My hair is a year and 4 months locked. It's pretty much mature, but I'm getting ready to comb them out. Why? Why would you do that, Choice? Well, let's just say the time has come for the fullness. I'm moving on to Sisterlocks. I think that is the best choice for me. Hence the name Choice. I really don't like how I'm missing my mane. Everybody knows me from back in the day. As a kid, I was a little girl with the gigantic afro. Yep. That's pretty much it. I've combed my life hair. You be like, whoa, you got a big ass afro, but on the real, you wasn't gonna be able to see it. Start on. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Choice Whitley. Come and take a ride with me on to my consultation. Yes, that's right. I'm getting a consultation for my Sisterlocks by your one and only Makita Kinks Coils Locks. I will link her in the description. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what all is inside of a consultation packet. I just know this is the first appointment. Alright, so I'm about to go and get my hair locked. I just took some knotless box braids out. This is what I'm working with. She gonna have fun. She said this is the longest hair she's done Sisterlocks on. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it. Yes, it's so lively. It still got little box braid parts in it. All right, bye. Spin it around. Happy. Wow, and they look amazing. 8 days. We split some days into sections, working around my work schedule and also taking breaks. My hair is pretty long. My hair is like 10.5 inches. Starting out, I'm shocked. There's so many things I can do. I know, right? Say hey.
Ciao.
Say hey.
Hello.
Charlie. I said Charlie. You said huh?
You said what?
You said what? I said Chadley. Yes. Got my Sisterlocks. You know, man. Yes. Nice and beautiful. I don't know what to say. It was worth the money. It's worth the patience.
You can do my next.